Well, hello folks. This is a first. Let's see whether you can hear me or not. A little run out. I'm going to see a friend, get some work done on the bike. Just a little bit of electrical adaptation. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can probably hear the noise of those trackers. Beautiful. It's like money going down the drain. Worth the wait in gold off-road though. Yeah. Oh, so nice little run out. Oh, many of you will recognise this bit of road. It's many call it the Helmsley TT. As you can probably see, I'm not exactly doing breakneck speeds. And it's fairly warm, considering it's December I believe it's 17th today. Hovering about the 11-12 degrees mark, so just a pair of jeans on. And yep, I'm regretting that. As many of you know, I'm a cold ass. I've got no long johns on. Still managed with 2 pair of socks though, which will make some of you laugh. Mainly because my boots are too big. Or my feet have shrunk. I'm not sure which one's which. Yeah, so nice little ride. Just approaching Great Broughton. Yeah. Lovely little morning. So, the vibes, man, the vibes. So yeah, as you probably realised, I'm on the my little CRF 300. Fantastic little bike. It's pretty much my little jump on bike and go for a ride bike really, this one now, even though it's still got trackers on it. Steady away as long as you keep the speed down. Doesn't really seem to bother too much. Some say they're bad for mileage. Yes, they're not fantastic. They're an off-road tyre, but tarmac grip and everything else, yeah, they're alright. Just if you watch somebody else's channel, they don't really like ice and tarmac. Bless. Luckily he's alright though. But yeah, so just turned off the Helmsley TT. Just heading now towards Ingleby Green now to one of my favourite little lanes. So we'll catch you all in a little bit.